third gear. Don't annoy me. Don't annoy me! Oh my god! Alright everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Now in today's video I'm so excited because today we're finally putting stage 1 on the Fiesta ST. So the software we're using to put this on the car today is actually from Voodoo themselves, from the guys over at AT Motorsport. I'll put all their links down in the description. I've also got a discount code as well, JoshB5, which you can get 5% off at checkout on the website. But yeah, we're doing this from home today with the Voodoo flash drive. So yeah, let's go inside, let's put this stage 1 kit on, then we'll go for a drive at the end of this video and see the difference. So what this kit is actually going to add to the car is an extra around 20 to 25 horsepower, maybe a little bit more. And because we've done the ICG induction kit and the Miltech exhaust, this is so safe to do on the car. This should not go wrong at all. I'm going to run you through how we do this. It shouldn't be too difficult. All right, so what you get when you buy the Voodoo flash drive is basically this box here, which we'll open in a second, and we also get a bag of goodies right here as well. So I'll run you through what we get. A nice little air freshener, a couple of Voodoo stickers. Unfortunately, you would have seen in a couple of videos ago that the sun strip we tried to put on absolutely failed miserably. Look at it. I want to smash this windscreen. So annoying. Stop creasing, you batty crease. Oh, just so we can't unfortunately put this on today. We actually get 2 of these, maybe just in case one goes wrong or whatever. This Voodoo keychain, which I'm actually going to put on right now. And boom, look at this little Voodoo keychain on the key rings. This is sick. Now the next thing we get is actually a little Voodoo sticker. Now this, I believe, goes underneath the ST badge at the back of the car. Now, I'm actually debating whether I'll put this on or not, because if I put this on, then people know I've tuned the car. People know this thing isn't stock. But if I don't put this on, then people will think that this may be a stock Fiesta, and then when I absolutely destroy them, they'll be like, whoa, that's mad. So that was everything that came in the bag. Very, very cool. A few stickers and stuff. But now we get to the exciting bit, because inside this box is the tuning tool. Now let's open this and I want to show you. This is very cool. This is a tuning tool. We've basically got like a little iPad, mate. Now what's extra cool about this little screen here is that it's also a diagnostics thing. So if I ever have an engine light up or whatever, I have something wrong with the car and I want to run it through, I can also use this little tuning tool as a diagnostic. So that's also very cool. But yeah, let's now get this plugged into the car and put stage 1 on the car. A lot of you lot have been saying in the comments that stage 1 is a must and it makes such a big difference to the car. It makes it like come alive, which I'm so excited to go out for a first drive when this is all mapped on. So let's stop talking. Let me run you through this, and I'm also going to be learning as well, because I have not done this before. Right, so first of all, we want to find the OBD port, which is actually down here. You have this compartment here, which we want to open up. And then, I think if you squeeze this, the whole thing, there you go, should open even further. And the OBD port is right there. All right, so you get supplied with all the cables to do this. So let's get the first cable here and actually plug it into the box. All right, boom, that clicked in. And now you get this end, which goes into the actual car, into the OBD port. I think it's in. Okay, right, now, oh my God, we have movement on the screen. Okay, look at this. All right, once you've done this, they say what you want to do is turn on the ignition. Don't turn on the car, just turn on the ignition, so it's like this. All right, so the next step is tuning. Oh, it's touchscreen. Jeez. Ford Fiesta ST. Oh, bloody hell, what one are we? What the hell is JQDA? I'm going to do normal. Key on and confirm. Yes, it's on. Okay, now, I think what it's doing is downloading the original tune from the car onto this, and then we have to plug this into a laptop, which we have just here. This is where we ran into a huge problem. You see, no matter what I did on the tuning tool, for some reason, it was just not reading the stock file on the car. I even put on my Instagram story begging for help, because I must have been trying this for at least 3 hours. And no matter what I did, it just did not want to read the stock file. And it was only when I started to take a really close look at the OBD port on the car that I noticed something. You see, in one of these square connectors where the wires plug in, I noticed a bit of plastic hanging down, blocking one of the cables. It was such a small bit of plastic, I really did not even think that this was the issue, but after trying absolutely everything, I thought, you know what, I'm going to give it a go. I got a tiny paper clip and started scratching it out, and for one last time, I plugged in the connector to the OBD port. I've literally been in here for hours. Finally, I've actually managed to. I called me a bloody mechanic, but it's finally reading. It's actually saving and doing things, so we can now move on with the video. What in bloody hell is going on? Reading complete. Switch off ignition and disconnect. Alright. switch off. Okay, so now we're at a computer. What we can do is plug in the other cable that they supply you with the box, and then just plug it into a USB in the computer, and then it will look like that when you plugged it in. And what you want to do is just install the iFlash USR. Okay, so once you're on iFlash, what you want to do is press download data, so that it then downloads the data off the Voodoo device right here onto the computer. Here's a couple of days later. We have now received the email from AT Motorsport with the stage 1 map. So I've saved it off the email onto my computer. Now what we got to do is upload it onto the iFlash. All right, so what we want to do is press on upload data here, and here it is. This is the one we want. Voodoo stage 1 95 RON. I've gone with the 95 octane fuel because I don't want to be spending all that money on 99 fuel on a Fiesta. I don't know, it just seems kind of wrong. Upload the data onto the iFlash. It is now uploading. I don't know how long it's going to take. Data has been written already. That literally took less than 30 seconds. All right, we're now sitting in the car ready to put this on. We need the ignition on, tuning, continue with writing, yes, I assume so. Okay, original file here. Now this is what I mean. What's nice about this whole system is that at any time I can plug this in and go back to the original file, go out to the being stock, or if we eventually get different stages, so like stage 2, 3, whatever, we can then switch between them all. So you can save up to 5 different ones, I believe. Stage 1, let's put this on. All right, so initializing, okay, geez, it's doing stuff. Writing complete, switch ignition off, disconnect power gate. So we want to switch the ignition off. Holy, this should now, I should now have a stage 1 Fiesta. Gonna put this away, set the GoPros up, and then we're gonna go for our first drive of stage 1. I'm so excited. Holy, bro, oh my God, yo. I literally put my foot down in second then, and it got to like the red line so quick. I was not ready for a gear change. Holy, bro, that has made a big difference. Oh my God, that's flipping mental. That's mad, that is mad. That actually like pushes your head back in second gear. All right, here we go. Let's go first gear. Oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God, don't blow. Bro, this is a different car. This is a different beast. Oh my God. Yo, this feels like it's flipping quick. Oh my God, now this is a different beast. This is a different beast. I can't even imagine what stage 2 and 3 feels like. I can't even imagine that. This is ridiculous. Oh, this car is a bloody machine. This car has brung this thing alive. Like this thing, what even am I saying? This car now has come alive. Before it was nice, it was quick, it was nimble. Now it feels so eager to go. Oh bro, that second gear, it takes me by surprise. Holy crap, even third gear. Don't annoy me, don't annoy me! Oh my God! Being in the same car, having it feel so different to when I first bought it, it's weird. Like, it's like, bro, this car should not be doing this. Oh my God. Oh my God! I just wheel spun through the whole of second gear. It was not doing that before. Wow. But yeah, everyone, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much to AT Motorsport for helping out with the map. Go check them out. All their links will be down below in the description. And use code JOSHB5 at checkout to get 5% off. But yeah, let me know what modifications you guys want to see next. Whether it's lowering springs, whether it's splitters, stuff like that. There's a lot more to do to this car. And yeah, let me know what you guys want to see next. But thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one.